Hi, I'm Alexandra Jane, and in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Ashley Galvin's yoga videos on Alo Moves. Day 1 of trying out Ashley Galvin. Day 1 of trying out Ashley's classes on Alo Moves, and today I am feeling like doing some flexibility as well as some strength, but not spending too much time. So I am going to start off with one class called Vitality Boost from her 7-Day Detox series, and then I am going to do more of a strength class from her Fit 15 series called Feel the Burn. So I will see you on the mat. Okay, that was awesome, and now I'm going to do the Fit 15, and then I think I'll take a Shavasana afterwards because there was no Shavasana in that. So let's do it. That felt great. That was so fun. I'm really happy that I chose to do her for my next yoga teacher review. And the strength stuff was actually so hard for me, which clearly means that I need to do it. So I'm excited to keep doing it and seeing if I improve or not. And yeah, that was actually, I didn't even do an hour, but it felt like very full practice. So thank you, it was awesome. Day 2 of the series. Today I'm going to do a video called Energy Elixir from 7-Day Detox, and I'm considering this kind of a rest day because the last video that you saw, day 1, was 2 days ago. Since then I also did a vinyasa class and I've been doing a lot of yoga, so today I'm just doing a 20-minute flow. And I will say that after the day 1 that I did with her, I was actually sore. So in 15 minutes, you actually get sore and it works. So it's pretty awesome and I'm excited to keep doing that. But today, just short 20 minutes, rest. Oh, and also I saw that the focus was really bad for the day 1 video. I'm not sure what I did, but I'm gonna turn off the lights, I guess, for this one or see how it looks. So sad. Okay, I'm finding another video because that was super strength and I just want to stretch. And I'm also noticing that those little hip raises that lift your legs up, I think that's what made me sore. They're amazing. And I've done them before, but I think I need to do more. So here, let's see which other video I choose. Okay, so I'm actually doing the video Revive from 7 Day Elixir. 7 Day Detox, excuse me. Class is over. It was a bit challenging because it was pranayama based. So we did something, I don't remember the Sanskrit word. It's four counts of inhale, 4 counts of hold, 4 counts of exhale, 4 counts of hold. And at first we did it sitting down. I was like, oh, this is so nice. I feel relaxed. And then we did it while doing the postures. And if you can tell, I probably look like, at first I was like, okay, don't be stressed. Don't make everything so much harder. Just relax and everything's fine. It is so hard to do yoga while you're holding your breath. This is just crazy. But I gave it my best try, kind of. I don't know, you saw it. So I'm kind of like, eh. And then it was 1 breath, 1 pose, which I am much more used to, so that was fun. And I guess it was fun because we did the same sequence 3 times, so then we were able to know it by the end, so it was really a flow. But yeah, so this is something a bit different from her that I have never done before, and that was very challenging. So I guess she's just always challenging us, so thanks for the challenge, right? Yeah. See you tomorrow. Day 3, and today I'm doing the video called Complete Vinyasa Flow 1, and it's from the Complete Body series. So I'm gonna get right into it. See you on the mat. Okay, that was a great practice. My abs are still sore. Like, what she does works. And also when we were doing all of the balancing poses, so it was like Warrior 3, then then you're like up here, and this. My butt was hurting so much. Like I've never felt like I was using those muscles so much in the yoga class. So I think she has something a bit special with how she incorporates strength and all of that. And yeah, it was a really great class. It is day 4 of me doing Ashley Galvin's yoga videos on Alo Moves, and today I'm not feeling like I have very much energy and my throat's starting to hurt, so I might be coming down with something. I really hope not. So I'm not feeling like doing strength. I'm just going to do a video from her Pure Flexibility Flow called Supple Body. And I am no longer sore, but it's also been almost a week since I did her last video because I had my teacher training over the weekend, which went super well, but was exhausting. So yeah, let's do it. All right, so let's do it. Now I'm ready. See you on the mat. So the yoga practice is done, and basically halfway through I just started doing my own thing because I was like, I can't do this right now. And I don't really feel more energized, but I'm just happy that I was able to get on my mat. So yeah, that was the practice. And also, did I already do that video? Now I think I might have, so it'll be interesting to go back and see if I had actually already done it. So there you go. This is today. And now I have to go to work. Day 5, I think, of doing videos with Ashley Galvin. And I actually haven't done much yoga at all, and I haven't followed one of her videos in 1 month. I've been doing a bit of a yoga burnout from my yoga teacher training, but I'm gonna get back in it. And today I am doing a flexibility class. It's day 2, spine and back body. Let's go right into it. See you on the mat. It requires 2 blocks, so that's not happening. Let's see what else there is. Okay, I'm gonna do twisted ab. It's 20 minutes, so shorter, but it's fine. So I just finished and it was only 20 minutes, so there was a lot in there for it being only 20 minutes, but I didn't feel warmed up enough necessarily to do a lot of the things, so maybe I should have done some salutations before. But for people that are looking for really fast 20-minute practice, it's kind of challenging to get into the poses because you just don't feel ready necessarily, but it was still good, and I'm happy that I managed to get some yoga in this morning. And I will see you in the next clip where I am explaining how I liked this experience of following her videos. So that concludes the yoga part of this video, and now I'm going to give an overview of how I felt about it. Before we start though, look at how I made this top. I crocheted it. Like, there's problems. Like, what is that? But like, are you proud? I'm proud of myself. Okay, into the video. So, why did I want to try her videos? I wanted to try her videos because she's one of the most popular yoga teachers on Alo Moves. I think she's 3rd, or maybe even higher. I guess it always changes, but she's at least 3rd on Alo Moves. So I wanted to see why people were drawn to her. And also I was looking to improve my strength, and her practice is very strength-based. So I thought it would be the perfect time to do it. Question number 2, would I recommend her videos? I would absolutely recommend her videos. I think they're meant to be for all levels, but they definitely are more advanced. So I would say that it's for more an intermediate advanced practice, and you will definitely learn a lot. You're definitely gonna work on your strength, your flexibility. She has a unique teaching method, and it's really motivating and challenging. My 3rd and last question is, would I do her videos again? And I would absolutely do her videos again, although I filmed this over a month ago and I haven't done her videos again, so maybe that's saying something. But I think there's a few reasons for that. One of them is I'm no longer subscribed to Alo Moves, and also just because there is so much strength, it's hard for me to motivate myself, even though I know I need to do it. So yeah, I guess I would do it again so that I can work more on my strength. But that's not to say that all of her videos are only strength. She also had some that were really just focused on flexibility. So she has, if you want a good all-around practice, she has a lot of videos on there and they do that. So yeah, I would definitely do them again. That's all for this video, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!